Rồi, để ấn hai cái này chưa? Lấy bút ra đi.
Hello, Nabi. Good evening.
Hai.
Good evening, Nabi. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, you're good. Okay. Do you know what's this?
Yes.
Okay, what do you call this animal? Animal type. It's a
Dog.
Oh, it's not a dog. Okay, can you read this word? Okay, teacher will write the name of this toy. Okay, it starts with letter K. Okay, okay. This one. Can you read this one? It's a What's that? It's a koala.
Là
Okay, one more time. Ku, ku,
cú
wa,
và
la.
là
Okay, koala.
cú là
Okay, so what is the color of our koala? Its color?
blue.
Okay, very good, Nabi. Okay, remember this one, okay? It's a koala. Okay, say hi to koala. Hi! Okay, now, today, let's have our new lesson, continuation lesson. First, let's listen and watch the video, okay? Ready, Nabir?
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
Let's play! Look! It's playtime! Look at the children! How many boys? 2 boys. How many girls? 2 girls. How many balls? 1 ball. What color is it? It's red. Look, this is Natalie. Natalie has a doll. How many girls? 2. How many dolls? 1. Look, what's this? It's a puzzle. This class has a caterpillar puzzle.
Ooh.
This class has games too. How many games? 1,
Let's count.
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5.
6, 7.
Okay,
This
there are
class has 7
7
games. Playtime is fun. Let's play together.
Okay, so we're done with our video. So let's go back here. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, so this time be, let's read the following word. But I will just say the number and you will say the word, okay?
Okay.
Okay, okay, let's start. What is number 4? It's a, okay, you will say it's a, then the word. Okay, go on. What is number 4?
It's a cup.
Okay, very good. It's a card. Good job, B. How about number 1?
It's game.
Okay, it's a game. One more time.
It's a game.
Okay, very good. Now, how about number 3? What's number 3? Do you know what's number 3? Okay, you can say the word. No? Do you know? It's a...
Puzzle.
Okay, very good. It's a puzzle. What color are the puzzle?
It's blue.
Okay, it's blue. Very good. Now, number 2, our last word. That is...
Marble.
Okay, let's say the word one more time. It's marble.
Marble.
Okay, marble.
Marble.
Okay, one more time. The BLE, it's bull. Okay, bull.
Bow.
Okay, marble.
Oh.
Okay, marble.
Marble.
Okay, all right. Now let's move on here. Okay, this time, you will say, for example, here. Okay, can you see this one? Okay, let me just zoom in, zoom. Okay, now here we have, okay, can you read this one? Okay, I have, okay, go.
I have one game. I have two games.
With S, games. Okay, so this one are games. Do you know what's number 2? It's, what's this? What are these? These are,
Marble.
okay, marbles. Okay, how about this one, number 3? What are those? Those are,
Puzzle.
okay, puzzles. And the last one, we have this one. These are, okay, cards. Okay, cards. Very good. Now, this time, Veer, you have to read, or you have to say first, I have, and then the number and the name. Okay? So say, for example, I have 2 games. Okay, you do like that, okay?
I have two games.
Okay. How about number 2? How many marbles? I have. Count the marbles. I have.
I have 8 marbles.
Okay. With S. I have 8 marbles.
I have 8 marbles.
Okay. One more time. 8
8
marbles.
8 marbles.
Okay. Now, how about this one? How many? I have number 3.
I have 3 puzzles.
Okay. With S. Puzzles.
Puzzle.
Okay. If there is, okay, if it is more than one, Veer, you will say the word with S. Say, for example, like this, instead of puzzle, it's puzzles. Okay? Now, last one, we have number 4. I have,
I have 6 cards.
okay, 6 cards.
6 cards.
Okay, very good. Now, let's go here. Yeah, let me just erase this one. And let's go to this part. Okay, so this time, let me just unzoom a little bit. Okay, can you see it now, Veer? Okay, yes, can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, yes. Now, Veer, this time, let's shade. Can you shade? Can you do the The shading part.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now you will shade. First, V, you have to tell me how many are there inside the box like this. Okay, you will say the word first, and then after saying the word, say for example on number 1, okay, I will say I have 9 marbles. And I will shade this one, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, up until this one. Okay, can you do that for me? Say the word first and then shade. Okay, let's move to number 2. Okay, I
have 6 dogs.
okay, 6 dots. Okay, shade. Okay. Can you shade? Shade like this. On dolls. Okay, that's good, that's good. Okay, that's enough, that's enough. Very good. Do you like dolls, B? Do you have a
No,
doll? Oh, you don't like
no.
dolls. Okay. Okay. Now, how about number 3? Okay, count the cards. Okay, teacher will zoom in so you can see it clearly. Okay. Okay. I have
12 cards.
Okay, you will say I have 12 cards. Okay, one more time.
I have 12 cards.
Okay, now let's try to Okay. Okay, wait for a while, B. Okay, shade 12 cards. Okay, go on. You've shaded the dolls. Okay, do it one more time. Okay, okay. Let's just say, okay, let me do it for you. Okay, so very good. Now, how about on kites V? Okay, let's have the kite. Okay, how many kites do we have here? I have, okay, let me just zoom in. Can you see it?
Five.
Okay,
Five.
one more time.
I have 5.
Okay, what are those 5? I have 5.
I have 5 kites.
Okay, with S, kites.
Kites.
Okay, very good. Now, on to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is number 5? This one. I have
4
4.
games.
Okay, with S, with S. I have 4 games.
I have 4 games.
Okay, very good. Now, do you play this one? Have you played this one, B? No? Have you played this
No.
one? No.
No.
Okay. How about this one? Have you played this one? Puzzles?
No.
No. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Now, what's this? I
have puzzle.
Okay, how many puzzles do we have? I have,
2 puzzles.
okay, with S, I have 2 puzzles.
I have 2 puzzles.
Okay, very good. Now let's move on here. Okay. That, we can do this part. Okay. Let's just go on to the next page. Okay, here. So it's okay, this part. Okay, let's say the word. Okay, let's read one by one. Read, and then you will say, okay, I will ask question as well. Okay, what is number 6?
Grandfather.
Okay, how old is your grandfather be? How old is he? Grandfather. Your grandfather is how old?
Oh,
Yes, his age. Like for example, I am 27 years old. Your grandfather is how old is he? He is
64.
64. Okay, you will say he is 64 years old. Okay, your turn.
He is 64 years old.
Okay, very good. How about this one? What's this?
Sister.
Okay, sister. Sister. Okay, do you have a sister, B? Do you have a
Yeah,
sister? Okay, what is the name of your sister? Her name. What's her name?
Mia.
Okay, she is. Okay, you will say she is Pia.
She is Mia.
How old is she? How old is she? She is.
She is 5 years old.
Okay, 5 years old. Very good. Now, how about number 2?
Father.
Okay, father. Okay, what's the name of your father? What's his name? He is.
Nguyen.
Okay, okay. You will say his name is. Okay, go on.
He is named Nguyen.
Okay. Then, how old is your father be? How old is he? He is.
53.
Okay, you will say the complete sentence. He is 43 years old.
He is 53 years old.
Oh, you will like this, 5'3" or 4'3"?
53.
This one?
Yes,
Okay, it's 50, 53.
53.
Okay, okay, you will say again. He is 53 years old.
53 years old.
Okay, very good. Now, how about this one? Number 5.
Grandmother.
Okay, what's the name of your grandmother, V? Your one. Name one grandmother. She is?
Nguyễn.
Okay. Okay, you will say the complete sentence. She is? Okay, you will say like that.
She is Nguyễn.
Okay. How old is she? She is?
She is 63.
Okay, 63 years old.
50.
Okay. Now, how about number 1? Number 1.
Mother.
Okay, mother. Now, what's the name of your mother? She is?
Hiện.
Okay, you will say the complete sentence, B. Okay, she is. Okay, one more time.
She is Hiền.
Okay, and now how old is she? She is?
She is 38.
Okay, 38.
38.
Okay, very good. Now, this one, brother. Do you have a brother?
No.
Okay, you don't have brother. Okay, let's read this one. Okay, can you say the word? Brother.
Brother.
Okay, very good. So, good job, V. Now let's move on here. So first, let's just listen. Okay. We will listen and then let's do the activity after. Okay. So let's listen first.
Page 32. B. Listen and number. 1,
Hi, Emma. Hi, Anne.
2,
Julie, my mother,
3,
my father,
4,
my brother,
5,
my sister,
6,
my grandmother, and my grandfather. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. So we're done. So let's, okay, can you number? Okay. Or like, just check. Okay. Just check. Okay. You will say, I will number this one. Okay. Now, what is number 1? This one, she is my, okay, you do that one, okay. What is number 1? She is my,
Emma.
okay. Again, she is my,
Emma. My
okay, what is Emma? She is my sis.
sister.
Okay, okay. You say, you will say again, Veer, she is my sister. She is my brother. Okay, like that, okay? Okay, let's do this one more time, Okay, what is this?
Is mother.
Okay, she is my mother. Okay, one more time.
She is my mother.
How about this one?
She is my brother.
Okay, how about this one?
She is my grandma and grandpa.
Okay, grandmother and grandfather. Okay, very good. How about this one?
This is my father.
Okay, and this one?
This is my sister.
Okay, very good. And the last one, who's this? She is? What's her name? It's?
Emma.
Okay, so she is. Okay, you will say she is.
She is Emma.
Okay, very good. Now let's move on here. Okay, now you will say like this. This. Okay. Can you read this one?
This is my mother.
Okay, let's say again. This
This
is
is
my mother.
my mother.
Okay, okay. You will say like that, okay? Then I will circle the picture and you will say, who's that? Okay? Now, who's this? This is my, okay. You will say like that. Go on.
This is my grandfather.
Okay, very good. How about this one?
This is my mother.
Okay. Okay, again, when you say this word, this, okay, we can say like this. This.
This.
Okay, very good, V. How about number 3?
This is my brother.
Okay, number 5.
This is my grandmother.
Okay, very good. Now this one.
This is my father.
Okay, and the last one we have, this is my.
That is my sister.
Okay, very good. So, let's finish this one onto our last. Okay, we have letter D. Let's move on here. Okay, now I will ask, who's this? And you will say, this is, okay? Or you will say all of it, okay? Okay, you will say, for example, B, you will say, who's this? And you will answer as well your question. This is my sister. Okay? So you start with who's this? Or who is this? And you will answer as well your question. This is my sister. Okay? You do like that. Okay, I will encircle. Okay, let's start. Number 4. Okay, go on.
Who's this?
Who's
That
this?
is, who's
Again.
this? That is my brother.
Okay, number 3. Who's
Who's
this?
this? Who's this? That is my sister.
Okay. Again, let's pronounce this word with whose. Whose.
Who's?
Okay. Whose. Who's this? Who's this?
Who's this?
Okay, one more time. Who's this?
Who's this?
Okay. Okay, number 1.
Who's this? That is my mother.
Okay, this is my mother. How about number 6?
Who's this? That is my grandmother.
Okay, very good. How about number 2?
Who's this? That is my father.
Okay, very good. And the last one we have number 5.
Who's this? That is my grandfather.
Okay, very good. Be good job. Now on to our next meeting. Okay, let me just unzoom. Okay. Now, next meeting we will discuss this one. Okay. So, food. Okay, what is your favorite food, V? Do you like burger, chicken? Okay, what is your favorite food? You like?
I like ice cream.
Oh, you like ice cream? You like ice cream, V? Okay. How about drinks, V? What do you like? Do you like soda, juice? Okay, what do you like? I like.
I like ice cream.
Okay, you like ice cream. Okay, so you like ice cream, which is food. Okay, or dessert. Okay, so we will see each other again on to our next meeting, V. So for today, let me just stop sharing this one first before you move out. So good job for today, V. So I will give you ice cream. Okay, you since you like ice cream. Bye bye, V.
Bye bye.
Good night.